Okay, today is the morning of December 22nd, 2022. Excuse me. We had a Canadian Arctic storm come sweeping down the plains last night in Oklahoma, and we usually get some snow. We usually do not see temperatures this extreme. I think it's like 2 degrees outside right now with a wind chill of like -15, -17, something crazy like that. We might usually get a day or two of that every winter, but it's kind of odd to be in the single digits in Oklahoma, especially during like the day, the morning. I mean, like now at night, definitely. But anyway, we're going to see how Mr. Odie does in the snow today. We're going to see if he'll go outside and do his business. Sorry, this video may be a little gross, but anyway, I just wanted to make a video, see how he did in the snow today. Years past, we haven't been able to get him to get out in it at all. So check this out. Let me know if you enjoyed it. Let me know if you didn't. Either way, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. And I'm going to put Odie outside to do his business, and we're going to see what goes on. Silly stuff us dog owners do, you know. Once again, if you're from like north of Kansas, north of Missouri, in the Midwest, you're probably used to this. Down here in Oklahoma, Texas, we are not so much. So let's see what happens. Yeah, this wind temperature and wind chill is really just stupid cold. I don't know. It doesn't seem to be bothering him this time. Years past, we've had a hard time getting him to go outside. So he's looking like he's doing pretty well right now. And I don't know. We'll keep an eye out, and we'll make sure he doesn't stay out too long for sure. Been a long day, having to go outside in the snow. Tired, buddy? Next week it'll be in the 60s. Don't worry. Say goodnight. You got fans. Say goodnight to Calvin. Say goodnight to Autumn. Okay. It's like turn on the furnace. Get out of my chair. This is the truth.